Where stay Googles? You said to the Babu, Googles at India. Advertise, advertise your business. Grow Google. Hot meaning India Googles for angry babus, never helping, working, kinding. This is why Indian Googles mostly bad, dirty, corruption, condemn, liar, cheater. So Indian Google software telecom, mother Badain, the all people coming, their mother Badain, all crowd, atrocity get around giving guilt of the job. So India name country never sign my angry word. Indian Googles Babu for never working. Their mother Bhadain born people always time for working keep going with Indian software and telecom. Their mother Bhadain never know how about what sort of Babu for driving Google software telecom. If they are know that how about what sort of Babu for driving software Google's telecom, then Babu never tricks them, never kill them. Understand my wall Googles? India name country Babu for always enemy. Their mother Bhadain always wrong subject stay. Even though I killed 70 crore people of 2021 March, April, May. Indian Bhadain all subject from the all my have been countries they are from Indian Bhadain cancel connection cancel killed up the job. So India fallen danger. Indian mother Bhadain never coming foreign economy. India with business doing afraid all countries. This is why angry Babu mostly highly clear So, the all countries people, Babu with their loving heart, soul, mind, their never friendship business with India. I always understand. For example, Pakistan and America. It without any more country, India always seeing enemy. And Indian people, they are always dislike. Only for afraid to the Babu. It without Indian country angry wall for never necessary, never useful. So India country Babu wall. No stay, so then very best. Understand all Google's India name countries the all act have been and their mother had in workers always wrong, always condemn, always corruption. So India mother Bhadain easily killed up the joke. Never sign India Bhadain my angry wall.